Hi, I'm going to present my timeline. 2003. I was born on February 1st in the regional hospital. I was born measuring 51 centimeters and weigh 2 kilograms 800 grams. My mother is called Patricia and my father Miguel. My zodiac sign is Aquarius. 2006. I went to school for the first time. I entered Ricardo Palma Kindergarten when I was 3 years old. I made a lot of friends. I participated in various dances, modeling contests, singing, acting, and I was also part of the escort. 2009. I entered the first grade of primary school at the Nuestra Señora de Lourdes school. I made good friends. I met very good teachers. I had fun and learned a lot through my elementary school. 2030. My sister Alejandra was born on December 5. The whole family received her with great happiness. That Christmas was very beautiful, as there was a new member of the family. 2015. I went to high school at the same school. It was one of the best stages of my life because I met very special people for me. I lived beautiful moments with my friends in performances and dances. Thanks to the school, we traveled a lot in and out of the region. 2016. I traveled to Cusco with my sister, my mother, and with her two friends. We got to know many tourist and important places of the place. We went to see one of the seven wonders of the world, Machu Picchu, and we all loved it. It was an extraordinary experience. 2018. At the end of January, I traveled with my mother and my sister to Mexico. It was one of the best trips I have ever had. We fell in love with the capital and Cancun. It is a beautiful beach and we want to return. 2019. I finished high school. On the last day of school, all my friends and I were very sad because we will not be together anymore. December 28th was my promo party. It was a magical night. I'll never forget that day. 2020. I entered several universities in Pura, but I decided to study at the UTP, and I'm sure it was the best decision. I'm very happy to study and learn more every day. Thank you so much.